So I want to do a guided relaxation visualization for you. And the first part of this relaxation induction works on metaphors for helping you to remove stress and anxiety. And the final part of this hypnosis relaxation is teach you the self-hypnosis relaxation so that you can do this at any point in time. Consider this a tool that you're going to have in your toolbox. So that at any point in time, you can check out and take yourself on a relaxing vacation to a tropical island and use this to build your own ability to take you into a self-hypnosis relaxation. It's the perfect place to relax, restore, heal your body, set intentions to enter into peace and calm, letting go of stress, and bring yourself into a neutral point of being where you're not swinging on polarities, on a up and down of the emotional scale. And it allows for you also to develop your visualization. That is important in the sessions that we do. So enjoy, okay? So I want you to get settled, sitting down or lying down. In some ways, I kind of like lying down so that you can really feel comfortable. Not too comfortable. I don't want you to fall asleep. You can fall asleep after this recording. And I wonder if you can just imagine perhaps lying on a soft cushion on a warm day with nothing to do, maybe on holiday or in a favorite place, or even in a warm bath in a hot, steamy room with Epsom salt and aromatherapy, maybe on a grassy field, flowers, wildflowers all over, and a big blue sky up ahead, gentle breeze on your face. And as you lie there relaxed, breathing gently in and out, nothing to think about, nothing to do, just letting go. You can close those eyes if you haven't already done so. And just imagine in your mind's eye, if you want to imagine, arms and legs comfortable, floppy, your head supported, your neck comfortable, eyes closed, eyes relaxing, face smoothing, muscles easing and softening. There's a feeling, a heaviness in your arms and legs, feeling so comfortable and safe, and you can give your body, giving your mind, surrendering your mind, surrendering your body to feeling so safe and relaxed. As if that heaviness pulling and allowing for you to sink down into the cushion, down into the grass or the sand. And then a feeling of floating simultaneously, held safely and securely, as if you were sinking down and down and down into a wonderful soft pillow-like bed. Totally relaxed, just letting go. In a flow-like way, you can almost feel the sway, allowing your thoughts to drift away. Nothing to do, nothing to think about, just enjoying that relaxation. And as you relax with every breath, that breath relaxes you more. As you release that breath, you release anything that's no longer serving you. Any tensions, any weights, any stormy emotions, any heaviness. any thoughts that no longer serve, any debris, mental, emotional, physical, and anything that is not yours. So just setting that intention with that out breath that you are releasing right now. Anything that you might have picked up energetically from anyone else. Let it go. As your mind drifts deeper. And you can enjoy that wonderful feeling of drifting down, down, down. That's it. And maybe you can imagine an island far away, summer, warm, soft breeze, very light, perfect temperature, the perfect temperature of ocean too. You can smell the sea. And maybe a smell of spices or strange ingredients or flowers, or a feeling of being rocked gently, as if you're on a boat tied near the shore, lapping waves, rhythmically cradling you safely. And down below, multitudes of bright colored fish, curious but darting away. And there's that smooth sandy bottom with little shells. And waters waist high, warm and clear. And watching those fish, you notice that at first they're like thoughts, darting here and there at first, shooting off suddenly in any direction. But as you snuggle deeper and get more comfortable with this flow and the sway, in the perfect way, just relaxing now, the fish start to pair up, to gradually begin to move in the same direction at the same time. And soon they are forming schools, gathering together of similar fish. Each shell gets bigger, the fish move closer together, and the whole group slows down. The fish form a gentle swaying movement. It's like this mass of color and beauty shimmering in the light, catching the sunlight. Rainbows. Gently gliding this way and that. This way and that. And the fish form a gently swaying, moving mass of silver with flashes of dark, responding to some unseen current, settling into a pattern that calms and steadies. And anytime a fish becomes aware of another fish, a natural instinct takes over. All those fish swim together naturally, enjoying each other's company, getting grace and direction from each other, like partners dancing underwater. And as you watch, they slow down and move and merge in formations of light. Okay. Peaceful and serene. And any other sounds blur into this wonderful aqua dream, and you sway rhythmically and relax. And that peaceful feeling stays with you. Like swaying at ease in a hammock between two trees, or in a swing seat looking out to sea, totally at ease. There's this cool drink in your hand, even though there's condensation beads running down your side. And each bead catches the rainbow of light down your skin. It's glowing because you glow within. And the soft lapping of nearby waves. The waves roll up the beach and then pull away. And the rhythm of the waves matches your breathing. And each wave rolls gently out again and in and out. And the sounds relaxing and calming. And as each wave rolls down the beach, it swirls the sand grains around and letting them settle, spinning around, swirling the sand grains around, and lays them down softly, and swirls the sand grains again, silently pattering smoothly down, like a gentle, slow motion rain. Smoothing out every bump, every footstep, endlessly smoothing and rounding and polishing until the sand is smooth and flat. Like a mind totally at ease. With nothing to think about. A flat expanse of perfect white sand, stretching unbroken around the island. Maybe you can imagine that sand slopping all the way down to the blue depths of that ocean, perfectly smooth, going on and on, stretching from that sunlit warm shallows to the cool deep blue depths. It's a mind of peace, tranquility. A current can carry the imagination across that smooth sandy surface, just drifting out and on or gliding effortlessly through the clear, warm shallows without a care, without a thought. Just content to let the water carry you. Free to move or float or drift or just remain surrounded by warm gentleness, loving, comforting, healing, sliding and gliding, soundless, wordless. Like colors fading and merging, or vague shapes and silent harmonies, and a feeling of deep rest, relaxation, restoration, renewal, letting go. Letting go, allowing your mind to soar free. Like a sweet tropical bird in an empty blue sky. And down below, trees and streams, huts and houses and roads and people. And from up in the sky, you can look through the bird's eyes. Give your mind a wide horizon, a bird's eye view. In your mind's eye, ride the wind. The bird as it begins to circle higher and higher in the sky, away from everything, into peace and silence and freedom. Nothing but clean air. And feel the wind rippling through you, lovingly. And you can envision in your mind's eye and just imagine seeing far into the distance. And you can see the ground far below as that bird soars onward into the sky. The earth becomes smaller and smaller. And the curvature of the earth comes about, and this beautiful aqua hue of an earth luminescent, effervescent, and glowing. It's as if you were taking a holiday, leaving everything behind. And through the bird's sharp eyes, you can see yourself lying there totally relaxed. And from that distance, everything is almost insignificant. The bird gives you a new perspective on things. And as the bird soars further and further away, but still somehow connected, it lets you think about yourself, reflect, see perspective about the people around you, your different situations, what's going on, from a higher perspective, a wiser perspective, a more self-loving perspective. You're observing. Maybe you can see yourself as a part of a bigger thing, the magic of everything, way beyond what the little you down there can see. But from the bird's point of view, everything is really quite small, isn't it? But from this distance, patterns become clear. The intelligence of things, of your learnings, of the challenges, patterns form and break and merge. And you can see how things change. And you must always anchor yourself into your highest divine timeline, your highest soul's path. This is your highest soul's path. See it from this perspective and view. And you can make them change. Those patterns that need to rearrange, to recalibrate for your best and highest good. And how everything depends on how you look at it. One thing blends into another, doesn't it? And really putting some distance between yourself and a situation, or even personal reflections and different people in your lives, might give you the chance for a different perspective. Start feeling the possibilities. Give yourself all the space you need. Room to move. Room to groove. Room to stretch. Grow. Not even compromising yourself. How have you been living in someone else's dream? What do you want? To enjoy a feeling of lightness and ease, to feel more joy, as if you've left so much behind, and just enjoy the moment, the comfort, relaxation for as long as you want. And if you want to, if it's safe to, you can drift off to sleep. Natural, restful sleep and steady, blissful relaxation, and wake up at your normal time. Or you can continue to enjoy this dreamy, relaxed state for a little longer as you want, coming back to the present feeling wonderfully refreshed when you're ready. As if you've had a long, restoring, wonderful sleep. You can choose whatever is best for you. And you can choose to remember the state of relaxation anytime that you want. In the future, in a busy day or so, you can find a moment or two. You could choose an image from this session or a sound or a particular feeling you enjoy. You can connect to a feather or the wind or even the sunlight, or even drinking a glass of water and connecting to the ocean. Or you might call up something different to remind you. Whatever's best for you. And when you bring that to mind, you can recall this wonderful, relaxed feeling in a higher perspective. You get to choose what perspective and from what angle to interpret this experience. Your body will relax, your mind will relax for as long as you want. In a moment or an hour, you can choose to slip into relaxation. Mind and body, heart and soul, whenever you need to. This is your healing. Healing thyself. Setting the intentions for what you wish. All you need to do now is to choose. To drift away, or gradually come on back. Anytime, anywhere. And that thought will stay with you, whatever you do. Now, whenever you're ready, you can take a nice stretch. Feel your body supported wherever you are. Coming all the way back now, really stretching, really moving. Take a deep breath in, and you can open your eyes, feeling wonderful. So please let me know how this was for you. And I really hope that this is going to serve you in your toolbox. Lots of love, Abigail.